Until now, very few people know the full truth about BOC-3 filing status. Most new trucking owners think once they submit the form, their work is completely done. But that is not how the FMCSA system works at all behind the scenes. The real truth is hiding inside a portal that most people never open even once. That one missing check has caused weeks of delay for thousands of new authorities every year. Let me show you what your agent never told you, because this truth changes your approval timeline forever. But the real problem starts here right after you click that submit button. You paid your agent, you received a confirmation email, and now you feel completely safe. But here's the dangerous question. Did the FMCSA actually receive your filing or not? Because until the government shows accepted on their end, your authority number means nothing. The scariest part is that silence from the system never means success, no matter what you believe. Let us check together what is really happening behind your screen, without any guesses. There's a hidden part inside the FMCSA system that most people miss completely every time. It is not sitting on your main dashboard where you usually log in to see your application status. It is a quiet little status field that changes its color before anything else in the system updates. Most trucking agents do not even show this to their own clients because they assume you will not understand. If you do not know exactly where to look, you'll stay stuck for days wondering why your MC number is not moving. I am going to take you right there step by simple step with no confusing technical words at all. The strange thing is that after you submit your BOC-3, the status does not change immediately at all. You check at 10 o'clock in the morning and see nothing updated on your screen. You check again at 5 o'clock in the evening and still see nothing changed anywhere. This makes most people panic and call their agent 10 times in a single day without getting any real answers. But here is the unexpected twist. No change does not mean no receipt from the FMCSA. There is a completely different signal that the government sends quietly behind the scenes without any alerts. 90% of new authorities fail right here not because of bad filing, but because of zero verification. I have seen this happen again and again with trucking owners who trusted their agent completely without checking anything. The FMCSA will never call you on your phone or send you a warning email when something goes wrong. Your file simply sits inside a pending loop for weeks without moving an inch toward approval. Meanwhile, you are sitting at home waiting for your MC number approval. That is never going to arrive. One simple 2-minute check could have saved all of those people from that painful wasted time. There is a hidden step that agents never clearly explain to anyone who is new to the trucking industry. They will happily tell you your BOC-3 is filed, and then stop talking completely as if the conversation is finished. But here's the secret that changes everything. File does not equal accepted inside the FMCSA system's eyes. There is a second portal view that confirms official receipt of your filing directly from the government database. That view is completely free for everyone and takes less than 2 minutes to use from start to finish. I will show you exactly where that secret button is hiding today, so you never have to rely on anyone else's word again. If you miss this simple step, your trucking authority can get delayed by 20 days or even more easily. No red flags will appear on your screen, no warning messages will pop up, and no emails will arrive in your inbox. Your progress just freezes silently without any explanation at all, while you wait and wait and wait. Every single day of waiting means no truckloads for your business and no revenue coming into your bank account. New trucking companies simply cannot afford that kind of silent pause during their most critical startup weeks. A 2-minute check right now can save you 3 full weeks of regret and frustration later down the road. Every day of delay slows down your approval process permanently in ways you cannot fix later at all. The FMCSA does not backdate anything based on your original filing date, no matter what anyone tells you. They move your application forward only when every single status inside their system says accepted in green letters. So if your BOC-3 status is stuck, your MC number will not move forward even 1 single inch. That means no DOT number for your truck, no insurance filing possible, and no operating authority to start hauling loads. Check your status today before another full week disappears from your approval timeline forever without any warning. Those who check their BOC-3 status properly get faster approval, sometimes in just 5 to 7 days total. Those who ignore this simple step wait 20 or more days with no explanation from anyone at all. The difference between these two groups is not luck. It is simply a 2-minute verification habit. Before learning this method, you are confused, calling your agent daily and refreshing your email every hour. After learning this method, you have clear status, confident next steps, and quicker approval without stress. Which side of this comparison do you want to be on for your trucking business future? And the most important step comes at the very end of this video, so please do not click away early. Most tutorials show you how to file your BOC-3 form, but never how to confirm receipt properly from the government side. Confirmation is the only thing the FMCSA actually respects when they are processing your approval. I have saved one final screen for the end that changes everything for new authority applicants. Watch till the last 30 seconds of this video, because that is where the real magic happens. That last tip is what separates the people who get approved quickly from the people who stay delayed for weeks. You do not need to call any agent or broker to check your BOC-3 status at all. Everything is already available inside the FMCSA system online for free. Most beginners waste hours calling agents and waiting for answers that are not even clear or helpful. The system itself is designed to show real-time updates anytime you want. You can check your status day or night from your phone or computer easily. There is no need to depend on anyone or wait for callbacks anymore. This makes the whole process faster, simpler, and stress-free. Once you know this, you completely stop relying on unnecessary phone calls. Many people wrongly believe that once the agent files BOC-3, everything is automatically completed and safe. But in reality, filing only means a document has been submitted, not fully confirmed by FMCSA. The system still needs to process and verify your information before approval. Sometimes updates can be delayed without any warning or notification. This creates confusion for beginners who assume everything is already approved. That is why trusting only your agent can be a serious mistake. You must always verify the real status yourself inside the system. This simple habit protects you from hidden delays and problems. Checking your BOC-3 status is actually very simple and does not require any technical skills. First, you open the FMCSA portal using your browser or phone. Then you enter your MC number or DOT number in the search box. After that, you look carefully for the BOC-3 status section on the results page. If it shows filed or accepted, then your process is moving in the right direction. If it shows pending, then you may need to wait or follow up with your agent. This whole process takes only a few minutes and is completely free. Anyone can do it without any special tools or payment. When you understand this process clearly, you gain full control over your trucking authority application. You no longer have to guess or depend on incomplete information from agents. You can instantly check whether your filing has been received or is still processing. This helps you catch issues early before they turn into long delays. It also makes your MC and DOT approval journey smoother and more predictable. You feel less stressed because you always know what is happening in your file. In simple words, you become confident and independent in your business setup. This knowledge saves both your time and your energy in the long run. Now you fully understand how BOC-3 status checking actually works inside the FMCSA system. You know the difference between filing, pending, and confirmed status very clearly. This puts you ahead of most new trucking applicants who still depend only on agents. Instead of confusion and guessing, you now have a proper method to follow anytime. You can check your status yourself without calling anyone or waiting blindly. The next step is to actually use this knowledge in real time. Go and verify your BOC-3 status today with confidence. This is how you take full control of your trucking journey. This video is created for educational and informational purposes only. The information shared is based on publicly available FMCSA resources and general industry knowledge. Rules, requirements, and filing processes may change over time without notice. Viewers should always verify important information through official FMCSA sources before making business decisions. This channel does not provide legal, financial, or professional advice. Always consult qualified professionals for guidance specific to your situation.